This is the last shot of the day, and there's cars in it, but you'll see in a few minutes that it didn't matter. You see, today, it's the windiest I have ever flown the drone. Now, to fully appreciate just how windy it was, well, we're going to start, here it was, started in Van Nuys, early this morning about 9 o'clock. I avoided the tolls. If I would have walked, it would have taken about 10 hours, or, this is kind of strange, check out this guy with the suitcase. If you have no hand, you can still get there in 35 minutes. We got some great shots. It was super windy, really challenging, and the wind's about 18 miles an hour, gusting as much as, almost like 37, 38 miles an hour. There was some rough flying today. All right, here's just a few shots. I hope you enjoy it. Well, that's kind of a summary of the drone footage. Here's a couple of shots of behind the scenes, and thanks for watching. Car in the background. Okay, you remember when I said those cars aren't going to matter? It's because we were just done. That was the last shot, trying to get just kind of a droney of the team that worked together today for these scenes. And let's see if we can do that. What I'll do is I will do a new screen recording. Okay, so we're on the screen now. Let's see if I can figure this out. If we take... So this is where we're at. I'm fine with using... Let me open this up a little bit more. Remember, I'm just learning editing. Just a little bit of color there. Tone and exposure, bring that down to... So there it is before. And here it is after doing a little bit with the color. Hasn't rendered yet, so... Anyway, thanks for watching.